Understanding cryptocurrency, a beginner's guide. So what is cryptocurrency? It's digital money, like sending rupees digitally, but without a bank. That's cryptocurrency in a nutshell. It uses cryptography to secure transactions. Cryptocurrencies exist online, recorded on a blockchain. This decentralized nature makes it resistant to control. Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, emerged in 2009. Since then, thousands of cryptocurrencies have emerged. Understanding the basics is crucial before investing. The allure of crypto potential benefits and returns. So, why are people drawn to investing in cryptocurrency? One word: potential. Cryptocurrencies have shown remarkable growth in recent years, with some early investors reaping astronomical returns. This potential for high returns is a major driving force behind the crypto craze. Beyond potential returns, cryptocurrencies offer several benefits. Decentralization is a key advantage, meaning no single entity controls the network. This eliminates the risk of centralized censorship or manipulation, giving users more control over their funds. Cryptocurrency transactions are also generally faster and cheaper than traditional bank transfers, especially for international payments. The 24/7 nature of the crypto market is another plus, allowing for trading and investing at any time. However, it's crucial to remember that high potential returns come with high risk. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile, with prices fluctuating dramatically. While this volatility presents opportunities for profit, it also carries the potential for significant losses. Navigating the crypto waters, a step-by-step guide to investing. Ready to dip your toes into the world of crypto investing? Here's a simplified guide to get you started. First, choose a cryptocurrency exchange. These platforms let you buy and sell cryptocurrencies using Indian rupees. Complete the verification process and fund your account. Most exchanges offer bank transfers and UPI payments. With funds, purchase your chosen cryptocurrency. Storing your cryptocurrency safely is paramount. This is where wallets come in. A crypto wallet is like a digital bank account for your crypto assets. There are software wallets and hardware wallets. Familiarize yourself with key crypto terms. Blockchain is a digital ledger recording all transactions. Wallet is your digital storage for crypto. Private key is a secret code granting access to your crypto assets. Keep it safe. Section 4. Risks and Challenges. Navigating the crypto landscape in India. While the potential of crypto investing is undeniable, it's essential to be aware of the risks involved. High volatility is a defining characteristic of cryptocurrency markets. Prices can swing dramatically in short periods, leading to potential profits and significant losses. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies in India is evolving and can pose uncertainty for investors. While India has not outright banned cryptocurrencies, regulations surrounding trading and taxation are subject to change. Scams and security risks are also present in the crypto space. It's crucial to be wary of fraudulent schemes promising unrealistic returns. Always do your research, invest through reputable platforms, and prioritize the security of your crypto assets. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies is inherently risky. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Thoroughly research any project before investing and understand that past performance is not indicative of future results. Section 5. Conclusion. Proceed with caution and invest wisely. Cryptocurrency investing presents a world of potential, but it's crucial to tread carefully. While the allure of high returns is enticing, remember that significant risks are involved. Before investing, educate yourself on the basics of cryptocurrency, understand the volatile nature of the market, and be aware of the evolving regulatory landscape in India. Start small, invest only what you can afford to lose, and prioritize the security of your crypto assets. Thorough research and a cautious approach are your best allies in the unpredictable world of cryptocurrency. Invest at your own risk. The information provided here is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Did you find this guide helpful? Like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on the world of cryptocurrency.